Today we will be demonstrating how to keep your fabric in line with your inboard puller and your weld rollers.
First things first, we're going to make sure we get the fabric into the throat of the machine. Make sure it's nice and straight. We're going to go ahead and pull this up over into your guiding. Make sure it's nice and straight. Close your weld rollers. Come back here and you're going to straighten up your fabric into the inboard puller. You're going to go ahead and close your inboard puller rollers. We're going to turn the synchronization speed up to 101.0. And then our puller speed, we're going to put it at 106 for it to track and pull a little bit faster than the upper weld rollers themselves. We'll go ahead and grab our bottom panel here. And since our fabric is held in by our inboard puller, we can go ahead and open up our rollers and we can put our bottom panel in. And you're just going to hold that right there like that, and then kind of feed your top panel back in through the guide. Right like that. And just to make sure that your top panel is still straight, open up your weld roller there, close it again, and then you'll be ready to weld. Normally what I like to do, I'll come back here. That way I have good tension on the fabric and I can help guide it through the guiding. Then after that, you can open up your weld rollers, open up your inboard puller, and you got yourself a panel.
If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into our office at 330-833-6739 for any additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.